Hello everyone, this is Deepika and welcome to Kanuni Soch. Friends, today we are going to talk on Supreme Court judgment on divorce. Friends, many of us who have matrimonial disputes in their life, they must have cases running on of divorce or 498A, etc. Or many of us are about to file a case of divorce. So this video is very important for those who have their cases running on of divorce or who are trying to file divorce. Now friends, in this video we are going to talk on a Supreme Court judgment. Friends, we will get to know how court works, what factors does it see, and on what basis does it decide whether divorce should be given or not. Now friends, in this case what happened in 1992, this couple got married, and in 1994 a wife left a husband's house and went to her parental home. Now after 4 months, husband sent her legal notice to get her back. Wife filed 498A case against husband that he used to ask for a dowry and he used to do cruelty on her, etc. She put these allegations on husband. Now after 3 years, in 1998, husband filed divorce case because he decided that he wants divorce from his wife. Husband fought entire trial of 498A case, and finally in 2003 when that case ended, all the accused persons got acquitted from this false case of 498A. Now in this divorce case, when lower court gave its decision, it didn't give the decree of divorce, but it gave the separation. Now against this, both husband and wife filed an appeal in High Court. High Court rejected husband's appeal as no cruelty from the husband side was proved, that wife did a cruelty on him. Husband was unable to prove, so his appeal was rejected. But wife's appeal was accepted by High Court. It set aside the order of lower court of judicial separation. Now husband filed an appeal in Supreme Court against this order. Now Supreme Court saw everything, the judgment of lower court, the judgment of High Court. It saw all the facts and circumstances of this case, and it said that the married life of this couple went for 16 years. So here court saw that there are no chances of reconciliation between husband and wife. Now friends, I must mention over here that court always sees that if there is chances of settlement between husband and wife, then court always gives a chance for settlement, for reconciliation. But since in this case there was no chance of settlement between husband and wife, so Supreme Court gave dissolution for marriage under section 142 of Constitution of India by using its powers. It also ordered husband to give 2 lakh rupees as permanent alimony and 2500 rupees as cost of appeal. So friends, this was the judgment of Supreme Court on divorce, and if you have similar conditions of your case also, you can use this judgment for your help. So this was it for this video. We will meet in next video with some different judgment. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching.